So, ayan. Nandito kami sa Michael kasi bibili yung aking hobby ng canvas. So, tingin-tingin na rin ako dito ng mga pang Christmas decor, gano'n, mga kabeshi. So, ito. Nakafull yung mga ano na dito. Pang Christmas decor. Almost 50 tapos 40%. Price dyan. Oh, beshies. Ito, oh. Ang cute nito, oh. How much this is?
$39.
39. So, this is $39. Tapos, naka 50% na lang mga kabeshi, oh. Ayan, 39 din daw yan. Tapos ito. How much this one? 24. Naka 50%. Tapos ito. 18.
Probably cheaper. So it's not bad.
What do you think? This one is cute. $11.
Count down the days.
Okay. Ang cute niyan mga kabeshi, oh.
$69.
$69. 50. What are you doing? This is so cute. Ito ang ganda nito mga kabesyo. Magkano na lang to? Walang price na nakalagay. Ay, 69. 69. Ito. 34. Ang ganda nila, oh. Meron din silang ibang unan dito. Oh. Look at these. $200. This is 300.
Around the door, I guess.
How? Deal, baby.
It's not Black Friday yet.
69.
Oh, that is cheap. That's not a bad looking.
One.
Probably like that. A little shorter. A little smaller than that.
It's smaller than that?
Yeah.
So this is bigger than...
It's probably probably that tall, but the limbs look like that.
Oh. This one is already 69. It's... $40. $30. It's 40. I like that baby.
Yeah, that one's nice.
Look at that flying.
Santa going all around.
Smile.
Hello.
This 41. This is $41. It's
A little bit
how
more
much?
expensive than it's.
Ito yung mga brushes nila mga kabeshi, oh. Ayan. Yung mga prices nila. Maganda to, pang kilay, oh.
What is law?
Meron na rin siya, panat siya lang. Ayan. Ito, ay naubos na yung, ito yung pinakamura nila. $4. This is $6. What is this, baby?
Soap for your brush.
And this one. This is washer.
Same thing. Brush.
Same. Mona Lisa is here.
Brush.
12. Ito, $17. 36 pieces. $13. Ganyan kaliit. Ito. Malaki. $27. Or 15.
It's gotta be the green ones.
That one.
Yeah, you got to buy the green one.
Ito, may mga beads sila dito. Ito yung ginagawa ni Doña Elena. Ayan, shout out sa iyo, Doña Elena. May beads, may mga beads dito. Oh. Magkano to? $4.99. Ayan. Ito, may mga nabuo na sila. Oh. Wow, this is so cute. $20. It's big. Ito, oh. Art test paper pads nila. Naka 50% din. Ito, 11 na lang to. Ito naman 59. This one is 59. Watercolor. Meron silang maliit, $6. Ito naman $19. You want to buy this?
I think I need to get it, you know.
24. This is the price, right? Okay mga kabeshi, nandito na kami sa Walmart. Dito na lang kami bibili ng mga ilang ornaments para sa Christmas tree. And dito na rin kami mag-grocery kasi feeling namin is mas mura dito. Where are we gonna put this? So, 1.98 sila lahat. Cute. 98 cents. Like this. It's $397. 28. Yeah, I like that also. $397. Okay. This is $897, baby.
It's alright.
Cute nito, oh. This one. Okay.
Yeah.
You like stocking? Okay, I'm gonna get it. Cute nito. Oh, nice. $398. Okay. $10. How about this? That's expensive. Ah, babe, what is this?
That's this. That's this one.
Okay. Okay, baby, put there. Wow. It's only 88 cents. So ayan mga kabeshiwak, nandito na kami sa mga pagkain dito sa may Walmart. Alam niyo ba mga kabeshi, yung mga gulay dito, mga ulam at iba pa, basta sa mga pagkain is mas mura dito sa Walmart kaysa kay Publix and Kroger's. Nakakapag-grocery lang kami kasi dito sa Walmart. Kapag kunwari meron kaming bibilhin, mga gamit, ganun. Sa Kroger's and Publix talaga kami namimili ng mga pagkain, basta mga importanteng pangangailangan, ganun. Sa Kroger's kasi, mayroong mga promotion sila doon, tapos syempre mayroong kang discount. And then yung mga, kapag nagkaroon ka ng reward doon, mga coupon, something like that, and then pwede mo siyang ibili ng, ng gasolina sa Kroger gas station. Just how about this whole wheat bread? Is this wheat bread? Yeah, it's wheat bread. Fine. Ganda ko, no? Mukhang masarap to, guys, oh. Ito din, lemon muffins. Mukha siyang masarap. Smells good, though. This is a lot.
The other one was too little.
They have Fridays here.
Oh, yeah.
This one. Here.
Decaf. Donut shop. Okay. You like that? Crunchy.
Cheetos. They don't have smaller one. Butter. Is that yummy?